How you eat directly affects how you feel. I've always been a type of person who have enjoyed just being outside, exercising, walking, the kind of exercise I do. I don't look at it like exercise. So I like being out in parks and nature and things like that. If y'all look at some of my earlier videos, by the way, hello, I'm Frankie. I live mostly full time in my mini camper van. I'm a nomad. I'm on a joy route, which just simply means live your best life, whatever that means to you. I'm currently on a 220-day road trip. I'm living my life 1 mile, 1 minute, 1 cup of coffee at a time. I want to encourage you to live your best life, whatever that means to you. But I'm thinking about healthy eating. And I've always been the kind of person that I was half and half. So I eat healthy and I don't eat healthy, half and half. But I know the importance of eating healthy. My family is a lot of them, not anymore, but we grew up Seventh-day Adventist, so we didn't do pork and all the stuff. I remember my grandmother telling me it was bad for you, like the pink packs of sugar, all kinds of stuff. And so anyway, I want to eat, but now, so let me bring it all in. Now, since I've been on this road trip, it has been the worst for eating. It has been the worst for me. People have gave me solutions. One of the solutions is cook in your mini camper van. I have friends that are part-time van lifers, or they like to camp, and they camp in their mini camper van. Although I live mostly full-time in my mini camper van, and they cook. They use a butane stove. They use propane. I'm not going to use butane or propane. I'm trying to come around to using my butane stove and I think that would eliminate some of the problems I'm having with not being able to cook. Another thing, you can go to a park and cook, but it's always windy, like the conditions. I don't know what it is about parks, but I just don't want to cook at a park. So what else? I'm doing something called vacation eating. And I was looking at one of Stephanie Perry's videos, and she was talking about, because when you travel as a nomad, and regardless, she's a different type of nomad. She travels internationally, and she travels via plane, and she takes a lot of buses when she gets to like different countries and things. But regardless, when you go to different places, I'm a road trip traveler. I travel via my mini camper van, but places are different. No matter, I'm from the Midwest. I'm from Ohio. If you go to Texas, there's barbecue. Ohio got good barbecue. If you go to Georgia, hands down, Georgia has some of the best food I've ever tasted. The South, it's true what they say about the South. The South food is so good. And now I'm in California, and I'm in San Diego, and I've just been running into all these little interesting little like restaurants and just all this kind of different food and different kinds of tacos, real tacos. And I'm just eating it. And I'm eating. And I also, whatever's going on in the backdrop of my life, that causes me to, increase, like I'm an emotional eater. And so I've always been the type of person, like I said, I eat half and half. 50% of the time I eat good, 50% of the time I don't. I exercise. I'm an exercise person. I just like being outdoors. And so when I'm exercising, it's not even like it's exercise. I'm just at the park playing, which is really what I'm doing. I just be at the park playing, just exploring. I'm an adventurer. I climb up under a cave. I will do anything because I love outdoors, right? But this time it's been a struggle to stay on track. When I'm in Ohio, I know what it is. I can take some of my stuff and dump it off like in my storage, and I have more room to like cut up salads and stuff in my van. In this van now, I feel cluttered. I feel like it's closing in on me. I can't dump off my stuff. I still got my winter stuff. I've been on the road for 6 months. I've been buying stuff. I've been giving away stuff. So it's been a challenge this time. I've got 2 suggestions that I want to talk about. One suggestion, my friend said, go to the little cultural market. She suggested that. I did go in one, and I can't remember why I didn't get anything or even what happened. That was after my cousin, so I'm not even sure. I have to revisit that suggestion. Second thing is, 1 second. I got a tip from someone who left a comment, and she was saying, get you vegetables and warm them up, like go warm them up in a microwave. Now, in this gas station where I'm at, there's a sign on the microwave, and if I can find the sign, I took a picture of it. It said this microwave is for customers only. Now I'm on my way to not Planet Fitness. I'm on my way to Panera Bread to get some work done, and they got a microwave in there. And before, I have warmed up stuff in Panera Bread microwave, but when you gotta sneak and do something, you don't want to do it. Like, it just, I don't even want to bother with nothing like that. So I just found myself eating out, spending about $30 a day eating food, eating out. But the $30 a day, I have to get into. It's not like I buy like gum and Diet Coke. So it's different things. It's not really, people think, oh, you're spending that on food. You know, it's crazy. So that's why. But I did a budget food breakdown. I wrote about it on Medium. So I'll link to the article maybe here. I think I'll link to it. But so I was recently took a vacation from van life. I was on vacation for like 2 weeks. And we stayed at a hotel, but we also stayed at my friend. And by the way, I never thanked my friend for hooking me up with this place, and I need to thank her. I'll text her. I'm thinking about it now, but so much has been going on. My mind be all over the place. And I was able to cook. So I'm going to show y'all a video of me cooking. But I want to get back on track. This is just a little quick video that I'm making. What I want to say, though, and I want to be serious, life is short. We say it all the time, life is short. But we don't really mean it, because if we really thought that life was short, we would do things differently. What would you do knowing that life is truly, really short? That somebody you love can be taken away from you just like that. I encourage you to take your joy route. I'm living my joy route 1 minute, 1 mile, 1 cup of coffee at a time. And I'm show y'all some pictures of me cooking. Yeah, it felt good being in the kitchen cooking. And I'm not even a person who, I don't dislike cooking, but I don't love cooking. But I can't wait to get to a place where I can just cook. Take the joy route. Hey, this video was shot in a different format, so I'm going to have to put the cooking video up next. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Take that joy route.